Sir John Robert Kerr, Alaska, GCMG, GCVO, QC was an Australian barrister and judge who served as the 18th Governor-General of Australia, in office from 1974 to 1977. He is primarily known for his involvement in the 1975 constitutional crisis, which culminated in his decision to dismiss the incumbent Prime Minister Gough Whitlam and appoint Malcolm Fraser as his replacement, unprecedented actions in Australian federal politics. Kerr was born in Sydney to working-class parents. He won scholarships to Fort Street Boys High School in the University of Sydney, where he studied law. His legal career was interrupted by World War II, during which he served with the Australian Army's Directorate of Research and Civil Affairs and attained the rank of colonel. After the war's end, he became the inaugural head of the Australian School of Pacific Administration. Kerr returned to the bar in 1949 and became one of Sydney's leading industrial lawyers. He joined the Australian Labor Party and was briefly an endorsed candidate for the 1951 federal election. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.